start again. It's a rich thing.
How is it going, Samsung users? Mr. Android here. Well, if you're using the Galaxy A52, then I have some great news for you. Samsung is rolling out a big update for this device, which is around 1.2 GB in size. I have recently got this update on my phone and I'm really excited to share my thoughts in this video. With that being said, make sure to watch this video till the very end. Also, if you love using the Samsung Galaxy A52, then don't forget to smash that like button on this video. So drop a like, leave a comment and let's get started. First thing first, let's talk about the changelog. It states that the device stability has been improved, bugs has been fixed, new features has been added, and further improvements to the performance has been made. Well, this is the same default changelog that we get in all updates, so I'm not sure if there is any improvement or new feature added with this one. Other than this, it also states the size is around 1.2 GB, which is a huge file. Usually we get around 200 to 300 MB size when it comes to monthly security patch, and the security level is of 1st June. So my device is already running on the June security patch. I am glad Samsung has provided 2 updates within the same month. So now let's go ahead and quickly update the device. Let's find out if there is any improvement or changes made with this update. So finally I have updated my device, and the first thing that I've noticed is the touch sensitivity has been improved. I can feel the touch response is much better. It is definitely smooth and the phone feels quite snappier than before. Now let's see if there is any application added with this update. Guys, I am really happy that Samsung has not added a single bloatware this time. Last time when I updated this phone, there were a couple of bloatware installed without my knowledge. So I am glad this time I don't have to uninstall such annoying applications. Apart from this, I am unable to find any new feature. I mean, I have already tested this device and there is not a single new feature added with this update, which is a strange thing considering the update size was around 1 GB. Many of you commented that the remaster feature has been added, but when I go to my gallery, I am unable to find any such thing. So let me know in the comment section if you got the remaster feature or not. Next, when I open the camera application, now it doesn't lag or jitter like before. Previously, whenever I open my camera app, it does lag sometime and the overall experience was not good. But now it definitely feels smooth and I don't have any such issue while using the camera. So that's pretty much it, guys. This was a quick video regarding the latest update for Samsung Galaxy A52. I am unable to find any new feature, but definitely there is some improvement in the performance and touch response as well. So don't expect much with this update. I know the size is big, but sadly you are not going to get any new feature. I will still recommend you to update your device. You will definitely find some improvement in the performance. So that's it. If you guys like this video, then be sure to hit that like button. Subscribe to this channel if you haven't already. I'm Mr. Android and I will see you guys in the next one.